Today we're going to be putting a set of these OEM 21-inch Inscription wheels onto my 2018 Momentum that came with 19-inch wheels. The wheels were one of the first things that I really wanted to replace about this car, and for comparison, the standard 19 inchers are 235, 55, 19. The new ones are 275, 40, 21. So today we're going to swap these out and see what it looks like. And to do this job, we're going to need the following. We're going to need a 19mm socket. I'm actually going to use my trusted impact gun, which makes swapping wheels a lot easier. I'm going to need these needle nose pliers to take the cap covers off. I'm not going to put them back on because I hate the way they look. And of course, we're going to need a floor jack. And we're actually going to put a piece of rubber so there's no metal contact. Take these caps off and simply use our 19 and you take it off. Easy. Again, check out the difference between these two tires. 235 over here, 275, brand new. These are actually pretty good too, maybe 80% life left. These are brand spanking new that I got as a steal, and I could not pass this opportunity. And to those curious creatures, let's take a look at this suspension. This is a 2018, obviously all-wheel drive, but the components are fairly new. The brake components are fairly new. The car only has 17,000 miles. You can see the sway bar in there. You can see the sway bar link, transmission, the axle coming out of the transmission, ABS sensors. It's a pretty straightforward design. Okay. I don't know if it's heavier. Feels heavier. Should probably put it on the scale for you guys, but you know what? At the end of the day, nobody cares because no one's tracking these cars. So this is probably heavier, but you know what? It looks better. And obviously we're not going to tighten it with this one. We're just going to snug it, and then I'll torque it properly with our torque wrench after we drop the car. Look at that. That is a huge difference. Massive difference. So the front is 21, the rear is 19. Look at the difference. Pretty substantial if you ask me. Again, take these caps off, put them in a safe garbage place. The wheel is up. And again, let's check out the suspension components. I do not have air suspension, so this is just a normal shock. It's funny, this car has these leaf springs, which is a very unusual design. I guess they're made out of some plastic of some sort. I've never seen this on a car, again, but I don't work on that many cars. But it's a pretty interesting design. The caliper sits on top, and that's the electronic parking brake. Okay. And there you have it. Wow, that is looking a lot better. So again, let's take a look at the car now with the 21-inch Inscription wheels. It is looking super sweet. Just look at it. Wow, so much better. And these are the old suckers. We're going to flip the car around and do the other side. Okay, so this was nice and easy, and I've got to say, I love the look of the car, and it really enhances the side profile of it. I might have to upgrade the wheel arches here, because I believe the Inscription model has wider wheel arches. so they don't look like they stick out so much. But actually, as I look at it from the side, without the Inscription wheel arches, it looks like I've got some spacers, so it looks like a wide body car. I don't know, but there's going to be a couple of other things that I'm going to be doing to this car, so thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, we'll see you in the next video, right Violet? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.